Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps in calculator on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open and select Agree and Continue. Select Grant and enable this toggle. Tap on Got it. Now from here, just create a 4-digit PIN. After you create your PIN, just tap on the equal to button to enter. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. Tap on skip and select skip. Now from here, just tap on this icon to hide your apps. And from this list, just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. After you select the apps which you want to hide, just tap on next. Tap on enter and select calculator. After you do that, the selected apps will be hidden from your home screen and from the app drawer. Now to find the hidden apps, just open the calculator app, then enter your PIN and tap on the equal to button to enter. And as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. And this is how you can hide apps on calculator on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.